This is the Orange Sydney. Let's get to the video. We're gonna smash it up. We're taking the SD and the SIM card out. The screen doesn't function anymore, so we're gonna smash it. Scissors. Hold the camera.
Oh.
Down it. Up a bit. So first of all, hold the camera. So first of all, we're gonna push the screen with a pair of scissors. That never worked. I'll use my finger first of all. Try and unlock it and try and fix the phone screen. You can hit the middle button out, see if it works. Right, it's not working. Right, this is our first time making that phone. No, we did it that way. This is our first time, don't blame us. Hold on. Right, that's it, we're just gonna bang it. Just rip the screen off. Hold the camera off a bit. Right, we need to slice that down. Look, that's the phone. The phone. See, it doesn't bloody work. Oops, sorry. That's your phone, be phones. And that too. Just turn that off. Basically, this is the phone now. I'm gonna peel. Hold the camera. Peel the screen off. So there's no screen on it. So now I'm gonna push the pair of scissors with it. Try my hardest. This one's solid. The last one's easy to smash. Last ones are. I'm gonna cut it in half. Didn't work. Right. I don't understand why this is. Let's peel this bit off. Ooh. Let's peel this bit off.
That ain't gonna feel